Alright guys, just wanna to show you some live trading and some flow I'm looking at. Just so you can see what type of things I'm getting into right now. Let's see. Let me look at there we go. So I did have a Zoom call option just to play some earnings. I am down in that. That sucks, but I am up in. I'm still in AT&T also, so I'm still up in that. So this is what I do is I'll go ahead and look at flow. And I missed some of these, some Zoom puts, but I did see draft. I saw DraftKings just come in, so I'm gonna click on this from DraftKings, and I'm just gonna look at the flow in it, and then look at the chart. So it did have a huge sell-off. It's kind of about to jump back up now, which isn't bad. So right now it can be a time to get in it. Let's see where they're at. They're the 626, 50 call for $1.30. I need to see a little bit more. I like to see more. I like to see more flow in certain the expiries. It kind of spread out right here. Excuse me. Oh, well, hold on. No 40. Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm just right now still gonna watch the market, see what the Discord group is talking about. Nothing right now. 265. That's what I'm tripping. I'm reading wrong. And they're at 15-20 cents right now. So that's why I'm down so much. Because I shouldn't have played so much out the money, but it was super expensive yesterday. So I'm just gonna take an L on this one and just try to make it up today, which I probably can. So positions, and let's see what the chart's looking like again. It could be about to go back up though. Let's see. And this is what I do. So I'll pull the chart up, and I'll see how close it is to 52-week highs. So I'll turn to the 180-day. And it's right there on the high. So I'm just going to sell for right now because it's so close to highs. I know it's a lot of resistance up there. The high at 223 and it's at 209. I mean, okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to dip by some more here. So I'm going to get rid of this one because I'm tripping. I did not pay that. I paid 265. These are worth 15-20 cents right now. So we'll add this to watch list. Today's options. So in order for me not to come out too bad, I'll just dip by on this and play it up for a little spike, and then I'll go ahead and sell. So I'll still probably sell for a loss, but I'll make some of that money back just dip buying on it. There's that 20 cents to buy about 20 of them. Preview. Some cost me $400. And fill. So I got fill on that. So we need to keep an eye on that. And then also I gotta keep going back to the flow, see what's going on. Why can I not find? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's see. Once again, guys, I'm just looking at different names I see coming in. So I mean, obviously see a Tesla coming in, but that's too expensive for me. I can't pay $10 a contract. Okay. Chewy could be a good one. Let's see what's going on in this name. It does have a spike. Kind of far out, 717.20. I'll probably still leave this one alone for right now. Marvel, Citibank. Okay, so not that much flow. Of course, Tesla has the most for right now. Okay, I'm eating more. I can't cut. I'm eating it right now. Yeah, because it went down to 10. It was 15.20. But we'll see. We'll see if it can spike up a little bit. If not, I'll just have to take an L on it. Let's see. And then it was like around here. Like a minute ago, I bought. So we'll just mark that. Drawing. Entry. This buy. Can I edit this? Can you see that? I'm gonna put it up here. Entry, goodbye. Okay, there we go. It's kind of going back up a little bit too, so we'll see what we can get, but it's not gonna be too pretty at the end of this, but we'll see. All right, there's a big candle right there. So, like I said, I won't be coming out. I'm pretty certain I won't come out positive on this, but you know, I'll get some of my money back. You know, just go back and watch some flow. Tesla, Apple. And I don't want to be recording for too long, so let me make sure to see how long I've been recording. 7 minutes. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna be playing a whole bunch of clips just throughout this, and then once I see something interesting again, I'll go ahead and I'll start right back up. Alright guys, I did see something kind of interesting. Let me drag this over for you. There we are. Is the square. So what's interesting to me is these are pretty close expirations, so next week expirations, but these guys are coming in and they're getting these strikes above ask, so they're not even worried about the ask. They need to hurry up and get in again above ask at the 100, and again above ask at 95. So right now I'm just gonna find which one I'm more comfortable with buying. Let me start pulling it up the chart. That's the thing about this, is really just all about being quick and hurry up and getting into it. 150, 149, 51, 152. Right, so right now I'm looking at the price is actually going up. So it's at $56, $60. Okay, so I'm gonna get the 100 strike and square for 612. 612, 100 strike. Come on. There we are. See it? That's 78 cents right now. So it's been shooting up. Get a good amount of those. I got 13, so I can put that in. Cost me $1,000 and failed. Okay, cool. So what I need to do next is I need to go look for Square trading June 12th 100 call. And this is how you know it's been moving up when the option chain was kind of weird like this. June 12th 100 call, add to watch list, today's option. So I know I paid 78 cents, so I look for that to go up. And also my Zoom actually is working out. The dip buying on that is working out really well right now. Let's see. I am to Square. I'm up right now. Actually, this is a lot of stuff. I need to work my room too. Entry, exit. Square, 100 strike, June 12th calls, paid 0.78. Okay. All right, sweet. So I'm up $71 right now. Excuse me, I'm up $71 right now in Square, and this is what I'm doing now. So now that I've got the position, I just look. I basically just keep it on the Square flow. More flows actually coming into it, and the exact one I have. Let me alert my room up. No, this is one I would get in. Yes, Square. This is one I would get in. It's a lot of stuff to do. Okay, so I need to keep watching the chart. I'm watching this little chart here, right here too. So I'm gonna switch over to Thinkorswim, but I'm also watching flow. Another order just came in. Yeah, at 10:02. Another order just came in. It's still shooting up. Let's see. Let me go look at analysis. So I'm up $65 right now in Square. My Zoom position, I was down 600 with our earnings play, but since I did bought on that and it did kind of spike back up, I'm only down $250 in that. So I mean, it's not too bad. Let's see. Yeah, they're at $30. I paid $20 for that dip buying, and let me show you the chart so you can kind of see. Zoom charts. Yeah, zoom in. Sweet. So this is my entry dip buying, and this is where it's at now. I bought for 20 cents. The ask was I bought it for 20 cents, and it's at 30 right now. So another $10 in gains on those contracts. Square's moving up. I bought it for 78 cents or $78. It's at 84, 85 right now. So right now, I mean, I know Zoom is going to get there, but I'm more worried about Square. So I'm going to kind of keep an eye on this one for right now and keep going back and forth between the flow. See that spike right there. I'm up $84 in Square, 117. Let's see, you might say anything to me. All right. And so with my chart, I'm looking at level 2 also. I mean, active trade and level 2. So right here, I can just see kind of the volume. If there's more buyers or sellers at certain points, that's why you can kind of tell the support and resistance with this. And I look at also the level 2, so the buyers and sellers in it, you know. So the buyers are right here, the sellers are right here. And I kind of just watch the number kind of go up. So right now, the bid for it is $90.74 a contract. I mean, I'm sorry, a share. 975, 77. So it's around that 77, 70, 75 to 77 range. We'll see if we can get above that a little bit. Let's see. Up $97 in Square. And I need to check Zoom again, see what the chart's doing. Looks like kind of dip back down a little bit, but I kind of like the chart. I can kind of tell it's going to dip back down and kind of go back up, you know, lower lows and higher highs. But yeah, so this is another reason why I don't like to have too many positions on at one time. You can kind of tell me going back and forth between things. It's kind of hard to pay attention to everything during that time. Okay, I'm up 136 in Square right now. Let me see if I can orders. Square I bought at 10:01, so let me mark on here. It was right here. Add drawing. Entry. So that's my entry on it right there. Pretty sure at 10:01. Actually, it's like, yeah, right here actually. Okay. It kind of had like a little dip in it, looks like. Let's see, yeah, I'm only up $58 now, but I'm still gonna let it ride. And what I would do now is, since I see it's kind of pulling back, I'll just check the flow in it again. No, the orders have came in for right now. I'm still gonna hold a little bit, and when it is in this little area where it's kind of dipping back down, what I like to do is I like to go back and look at my position and see exactly, you know, how much I paid for it, and just be able to see like my percentage of gains on it. So I paid $1,000 for this, you know, so that's why in my head I kind of know like, okay, what should my profit be on that, and I can kind of quickly do the math on what percentage. And I usually don't go by what dollar amount I need to get. So like right now, Zoom has dropped all the way back down to so where I'm only up $6.50 right now. So right now in my head, even though I'm addicted to dip buying, I would dip buy here, but I'm just gonna wait until I see more flow in it. And it's kind of jumping back up right now, but we'll wait to see more flow. Okay, Square getting back up there. It's a little dip. I probably should have dip bought. What did I pay for these again? Let's see, like 85 cents. I still can. I'm gonna wait. You know what? I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna wait for more confirmation and more flow in the name to do that. Okay, up $45 in it. Let's go over to this. This is what the chart looks like. Remember, I bought at 78 cents, guys, and it's at 81 right now. So you know, not too much of a big difference right there. But we'll just watch and see what it does. Let's see how long this video is. Going on 8 minutes. Okay, that's fine. 16-minute video. I don't want these videos to be too long. All right, Zoom, I'm only down 122 in Zoom. Let's go check out the Zoom chart. And remember, I was down at 600 bucks in this. I think it's, I mean, it's coming towards the high right now. And I messed up because I should have alerted my room my dip buying, but I forgot to alert them because I had bought this call option at the end of the day yesterday, kind of to get some exposure to the earnings call, to earnings, excuse me. But like I said, it didn't work out in the beginning of the day for Zoom. Like it gets shot down, you know. But right now, it kind of bottomed out, and this is not bought back in. It's shooting back up. Like I said, I really don't expect to make money on this. I just kind of expect to not lose as much. That's the goal here. Let's go check. I'm sorry. Let's go check Square again. What's going on with that? Still at 81 cents a contract. Okay. Let's see. Any flow in it yet? Again, I don't know more flow yet, but you know, so we're gonna see. And so since no more flowing now, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna be looking at other names, see what's going on. Looks like Zoom is getting a lot of put buying in it, and it's at 257. I think I'm gonna sell Zoom. You know, I was down $600 in it. 257 right now. So weekly, yeah, I need to go to sell. So let's see, Zoom. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Close it. Preview. All right, I'm out of Zoom. And that was, so it actually came up to a 325 loss. So that's 325 I've lost in the day so far that I've actually put in an order for, but I'm only down actually $133 in the days because I still have this AT&T contract, and I had Square that's up. Square's up for me $19.50, and AT&T is up $172. I've been holding it since last week, and they expire this Friday. All right. Anything else? Nothing left from Square yet. And this is what Square is doing right now. The chart looks like. So it might be, it's like a little bit of resistance over here at the 90.92. And let me pull up a longer chart, 180 day, 86. Okay, so we are at highs right now for Square. Really close to 52-week highs, which I really don't like. That worries me. But we'll see if we can punch through a little bit more, just so I can get more profit. I'm down $20 right now on Square. But like I said, we'll just keep watching for more flow and see what's going on with his name. Let's see if anyone took that. Okay, so some people did take Square on this. Somebody asked me what do I think about HYG. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pause the video again right here and just gonna come back. I don't want to drag this video out too long either, but we'll be back in a second. Alright guys, we're back. Square is having a little push up right now. I did have to dip buy. You can see my entry is right here. Kind of dip back down. I dip bought right here and is back up there. I'm up 80 bucks in Square. So we'll see what we can do here. Remember, I bought for 74 cents. It's at 77, and I had dip bought for 68. We're about to get to 80 cents a contract. Let's see. Okay, I'm up $100 in there now. There we go. Some more flow. Finally. Okay. Really far out for next year in January, but it's spiking back up right now. 79 cents a contract still. 80 cents a contract. Okay. In my room, they should be up. Holding my call. My call to 6-5 though. Shooting up. I'll keep an eye on it. You in the green. Because I really don't know exactly what expiration. I don't know what price he got in that. But some more flow is coming into this. It's still shooting back up. It was able to shoot through that high of like 90 bucks or so. You know, it had like a double test right here, retested, and it kind of like retested again for a third time, and the fourth time, you know, it was able to actually shoot through it. Let's see. I'm up 160 in Square right now. Let's go back to chart. Okay, this is at 80 cents, 82 cents contract. Let's see. So I'm gonna suggest my my group to sell at 84 cents, because that'll be $10 more contracts. You got $10 on it. You know, they can do what they want at the end of the day, but I would suggest where they can get out. I'm at 190 now, 83 cents. Okay, let me go tell him. He said, yeah, I am, but you know, I can put it's up about another 10, some profits here. Okay. I'm up 225. Back green today, $160 green on the day now. You can see, guys, this gets to be a lot. Actually, I probably am going to sell up here. It's at 87, 89. 87, 89. How much am I up now? It's about 225. I do want to get out. 25. 89 cents to see what it's doing. 94, 94. Still a lot of, I would say, see a lot of buyers coming in here to 93. Right now, I'm looking at the level 2, 90 cents, 91.90, 91.94. Shit, we can get to 92 bucks, and it's kind of dropping back down a bit. 88, 85, 88. And these are things I do, guys. Exactly what my brain process is like when I'm actually in the stock and looking. So I'm up $232 right now on Square. Make sure I am recording this. I am. Okay. I'm up $232 at 92. I'm gonna go ahead and sell. That's a pretty big candle. So let's see. What am I up right now? I'm up to 25 position. Square. Close. Actually, I don't want to roll. I need to close. Square. Close. Preview. Send. Yeah, come on. So up to 25 in Square. I put my order in to sell. Let me alert my room. I would sell around here. Let's see, my sell 225. Up to 20 in this. Okay, let me go ahead. I'm gonna cancel my order right now. So when your orders don't go through, it's probably because you have for a price that isn't really relevant anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and Square. I'm gonna close it again. Put another order in. Send. There we go, and I got filled for it. Sweet. So I came over with about $220 on that. Nice. See, this is what I love. I love when my group can follow me to a trade and actually can make money. Just see Square. Exit at 0.85. Let's put the number from it as 2. And actually, let me edit this because I actually didn't get in at 78 on Square. Actually, I did get on 78 at Square. Okay. Okay, I got in at 78 on Square. So I got in at 78 on Square. I did buy again at 68. I mean, at for 68 cents a contract. There actually is more flow coming into it, so it might continue to go up. Let's see. That's probably just a little dip, honestly. That's a little fake out dip. Came in for the weeklies at $2.60 at the 90. 52,000. That's a pretty big trade. Let me just tell them it could continue to go up. This could continue to go up, but it's nice just to lock in some profits. I see some more flow. coming through. 1031, yeah. So it was just had a little dip, but I was up and didn't want to risk profits. Sweet. Alright, let's see how long this video is now. Another 7 minutes. That's about 21 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it, and I'm gonna record another video, just kind of like at the end, just like a little recap. And I'm pretty sure that's gonna be it for today of my live trading of Square.